Okay guys, we are here
in
our future backyard.
Front yard.
Front yard. Okay, we are here in
front
Abu
yard.
Dhabi, just chilling with the view. Look at the view.
It's a very, very cool view.
Anong masasabi mo sa bago nating bahay?
Excuse me, what? I don't understand.
Oh. Level up. It's level up already. Level up. So, okay. So what can you say about our new place?
New place or new house?
Yeah, where is our house nga ba? Is it there?
Over there.
Oh, yeah, maybe it's there.
No, it's over there.
Yeah.
Our new
Yeah.
house is over there.
Where? Alright.
Over.
Here.
Yeah, over there.
Just a few steps away from
It's
the
only
apartment.
walking distance to the beach.
Yeah. So, yeah, almost every day you will see this kind of view here.
Almost.
It's a park.
There's
Not
a fountain.
almost. Every day na pala talaga.
Every
So
day.
God has been good to the family, so we have been blessed. And yeah, soon we will be trying all the amenities
Fun
here.
activities?
Fun activities. The water activities. So, looking forward, no, ate, sa summer. Medyo malamig pa ngayon. Sasakit yung tiyan ko. Baka matay ako sa beach. Maghanap ako ng toilet, hindi pwede. So, pagka medyo mainit na, sensitive pa naman ako sa lamig. So, ayan o, di ba? So,
It's a cool breeze since water is right behind us
So
and right in front of us.
we can have some water bicycle ba tawag doon natin? Ano tawag doon? Water bicycle?
Water.
Hindi alam. Hindi alam. At saka yung padjak ayun, no? Padjak yun, padjak. They call it padjak in the Philippines, no? So it's a water version of padjak. Yeah.
Water version of
Yeah.
Pajak, huh?
Water version of tricycle. There, oh. You can see
Water
it.
version of tricycle.
You can see it here, no? Ayan, oh, ayan. Okay, over here and over there, there's a kayak here. And pwedeng i-rent on a small place for a beach.
Actually, I'm supposed to be using my skateboard.
Yeah, the skateboard. Look at the skateboard. Yeah, nice. Very nice.
Very
16 dirhams skateboard. 16 dirhams. 16 dirhams also the quality 16 dirhams.
Yeah.
16 dirhams quality skateboard. No, mas mahal pa yung scooter ni Isabel. No? Scooter ni Isabel may patunog pa siya yung. So that's it guys. See you in our future apartment, and we will going to share
I'm always
everything.
thinking.
Yeah.
Why is it called hotel apartment?
Hotel apartment, maybe it's hotel and an apartment. it's hotel and it's apartment.
Of course.
O nga no. Okay, so see you guys.
Apartment.
Kanino bang vlog to?
Supposed to be my vlog, but yeah, sure.
Okay. Subscribe to her vlog. Subscribe there.
It's called Yanni's vlog channel,
Yes.
and also my other
Press the
channel,
subscribe
Yanni's
button.
music channel.
Yeah, looking forward. Then we are going to cover up some songs soon.
Soon. And it's going to be posted on my channel, Yanni's
Oh,
music channel. So
my
yeah.
channel ko dyan. Wala, bawal.
Yes!
Okay, bye-bye guys.